Hawaii erupting Mount Kalua volcano has been making headlines lately, and rightly it is an enthralling but catastrophic natural event that has affected the lives of hundreds of human beings and destroyed everything that came in its path. But what makes the eruption so intriguing? There is no denying that the pictures of Mount Kalua spewing fiery molten lava into the sky is stunning. It's a sight to behold, and it is no surprise that many travelers have added seeing the eruption to their bucket list. But as stunning as it might also seem, it is additionally a stark reminder of the power that nature and with that all comes destruction. The eruption of Mount Kalua started in May 2018, and it has persisted to wreak havoc on Hawaii's big island ever since. Over 700 properties have been destroyed, and hundreds have been compelled to flee their homes. The lava flows have not only covered residential areas but also destroyed landmarks and natural wonders that the island is recognized for. Despite the destruction, the eruption has additionally brought out the fantastic in people. Communities have come together to help each other, and those affected by the disaster, volunteers and organizations are working around the clock to provide aid, shelter, and resources. The eruption of Mount Kalua is a tragic event. However, it serves as a powerful reminder of the forces of nature and our duty of humanity. It is a time to assist each other and appreciate the wonderful beauty of nature while respecting its power and grandeur. In conclusion, the erupting Mount Kalua volcano is a marvel to witness, but it is also a sobering reminder of the fragility of life and the power of nature. As the situation in Hawaii continues to unfold, we must keep those affected in our thoughts and remember to be grateful for the moments of beauty and wonder that life has to offer. The unfold truth about volcano eruption in Hawaii is Hawaii is regarded for its pristine beaches, tropical climate, and picturesque landscape. However, what people frequently forget is that it is a land of various sorts of volcanoes, some active and some dormant. One such volcano that has recently captured the world's attention is Salwa Hawaii. It erupted on May 2018 and always spewing lava over sea. The eruption of the Kalua volcano has affected the lives of the locals, but has also caused extensive disruption in the tourism industry of Hawaii. Hawaii flourishes on tourism, with thousands and thousands of visitors visiting the islands every year. The eruption has led to an extensive decline in tourist activity, leading to losses in revenue of the state. The impact on tourism is not simply limited to the loss of revenue for the state. It has additionally led to the closure of various tourist attractions such as the Volcanoes National Park and various trekking trails. The Kalua eruption is not only affecting the tourism industry of Hawaii but also inflicting a considerable effect on the natural ecosystem of the island. It is critical to apprehend that Hawaii is home to various types of volcanoes, and each one poses a different threat. For instance, the Kalua volcano, a seal volcano, which means that it has a low profile and produces non-stop eruption, whereas other volcanoes such as Mauna Loa and Hualalai are characterized by explosive eruption. In brief, the eruption of the Kalua volcano in Hawaii has dispatched shockwaves throughout the world. It is critical to recognize the impact